Did you know that over 70% of car breakdowns happen because of driver negligence? That's right. Most cars don't die of old age. They're destroyed by simple mistakes that could have been avoided. From ignoring routine maintenance to bad driving habits, these mistakes are silently shaving years off your car's life. In this video, we are going to uncover 8 things that silently destroy your car's lifespan and how you can avoid them. Stick around, because I will also share a bonus tip that lonely save you thousands in repairs. Let's dive in. 1. Neglecting oil changes. Skipping oil changes is like running a marathon without water. Your engine will break down. Motor oil keeps everything lubricated and prevents metal parts from grinding against each other. But as oil gets old, it turns into thick sludge, choking your engine and leading to overheating. The longer you wait, the more damage you do. Neglecting oil changes can cause piston rings to wear out, camshafts to seize, and before you know it, your engine is toast. Want to avoid a $5,000 engine replacement? Stick to the recommended oil change intervals and always use high-quality oil. 2. Ignoring coolant and overheating issues. Your engine generates extreme heat, and coolant is the only thing keeping it from turning into a fireball. But here's the thing. Coolant doesn't last forever. Over time, it breaks down, loses effectiveness, and even turns acidic, corroding your radiator and engine components. Skip coolant flushes long enough, and you'll be dealing with overheating, head gasket failure, and thousands of dollars in repairs. Keep an eye on your coolant levels and flush the system at the manufacturer's recommended intervals, because an overheated engine isn't just costly, it's game over for your car. 3. Not using the parking brake. Think the parking brake is only for hills? Think again. Whether you're parked on a slope or a flat surface, skipping the parking brake is putting unnecessary stress on your transmission. Without it, all the weight of your car rests on a tiny metal pin inside the transmission called the parking powell. Over time, this pin can wear out or even snap, leading to costly transmission repairs, or worse, your car rolling away unexpectedly. Using the parking brake every time you park keeps your transmission healthy and ensures your car stays exactly where you left it. It's a simple habit that can save you thousands in repairs, so start using it today. 4. Letting rust spread. Rust weakens the car's structural integrity and can cause critical failures in areas like the frame, brake lines, and suspension components. Once rust begins to spread, it becomes difficult to stop without proper treatment. Salt from winter roads accelerates rusting, particularly on the undercarriage, where it's less noticeable until significant damage occurs. If rust reaches fuel lines or brake lines, it can lead to dangerous leaks or sudden failure. Regular washing, especially during winter, applying rust protection sprays, and addressing any early signs of rust can prevent long-term damage. Rust-proofing treatments are especially important for vehicles in humid or coastal areas. 5. Using cheap or low-quality parts. Saving a few bucks on car parts might sound like a smart move until those parts fail when you need them most. Cheap or low-quality parts are often made with inferior materials that wear out faster, break easily, and can even cause further damage to your vehicle. Cheap oil filters, for example, may not provide adequate filtration, allowing contaminants to circulate in the engine. Similarly, inferior brake pads may wear out quickly or provide less stopping power, increasing the risk of accidents. Therefore, when it comes to replacement parts, always go for high-quality OEM or trusted aftermarket brands. Your car and your wallet will thank you in the long run. 6. Neglecting your tires. Tires aren't just rubber. They're the only thing between you and the road. Driving on underinflated tires puts massive strain on your suspension, causes uneven wear, and even reduces fuel efficiency. And bald tires? That's a disaster waiting to happen. With no tread, your car can't grip the road properly, making stopping distances longer and increasing the risk of hydroplaning in wet conditions. A blowout at high speed can be deadly. Check your tire pressure regularly, rotate your tires on schedule, and replace them before they turn into a ticking time bomb. 7. Using cheap or incorrect fuel. Not all gas is created equal. Cheap fuel might save you a couple of bucks now, but it can cost you thousands later. Low-quality gas can contain contaminants and fewer detergents, leading to carbon buildup in your engine and clogged fuel injectors. And if your car requires premium, but you're using regular then? That's a fast track to engine knocking, reduced power, and long-term damage. Your engine was designed for a specific type of fuel, and always use what's recommended, or you'll be paying the price sooner than you think. 8. Ignoring strange noises and warning lights. You hear a weird noise, and your first instinct is to turn up the radio? Big mistake. Your car speaks to you through sounds, and ignoring them is like ignoring a check engine light. A knocking noise could mean worn-out bearings. A squealing sound might mean bad belts. And a grinding noise could be your brakes screaming for help. The longer you ignore it, the worse the problem becomes. Similarly, dashboard warning lights alert drivers to issues with the engine, transmission, brakes, or other critical systems. Ignoring a check engine light, for example, could lead to severe damage if the problem worsens. It's always best to diagnose noises and warning lights as soon as they appear to prevent small problems from becoming expensive repairs. Bonus tip: don't overload your car. Exceeding your car's weight limit stresses the suspension, engine, and brakes, leading to faster wear and reduced lifespan. That's all for this video. Your car is built to last hundreds of thousands of miles if you take care of it. Avoid these deadly mistakes, and your vehicle will reward you with years of reliable driving. If you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Drive smart, and see you in the next video.